everyone. I missed you so much. It's been so long. Well, not long, but a few weeks since I've last uploaded with a new video, obviously. And it is a wig review slash tutorial. You know, I always throw that in there. I can't just do a review, that's so boring. So I'm doing this wig today. Oh, I'm a little child. Hold on. It is hot and I can't put no fan on because I don't want, you know, it to be making so noisy when I'm trying to record and give you guys the deets. Hold on, y'all. I picked this wig by Outre and it's from their Melted Hairline collection. It is a lace front wig, obviously, and her name is Carla, and I got her in a 613. This wig is in a beautiful caramel, I believe, chestnut. Wait, is it a caramel or chestnut? I don't want to say it wrong, but it's a color that's darker than the 613. That's the one I really wanted because you guys know I always do 613, so I wanted to switch it up and try something a little darker, but it is sold out, child. If it's, you know, restocked, grab that color too. It's really, really pretty on us black girls. It looks really nice, especially if you're not someone that likes like the 630, the bright blonde. It's like a shade lower and it's gorgeous on brown skin. Okay, so we can take it out of here. You don't need that. Oh, this is nice. She has two clips in the front, really small little clips. She has a extended strap, so like a strap so it can go like right in the middle of your head. And she has a clip, a big, like a large clip in the back, like really large. And of course she comes with the basic wig straps that every lace wig comes with. If you don't know how it looks, I will show you right now. It's come with the extra, which I think is really good, so it'll be really snug on your head. So I thought it was a free part. I don't know, looking at it, I thought like you can part it, but it's not. It's literally just the middle part. Let me just show you guys. As you can see right here, it's just a small middle part. I'm just gonna get right into installing this because I don't want to talk too much.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. Stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, cause I can feel the energy. Cause I can feel the energy. I've met my demons one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me.
So I'm gonna take off my edge tie. Let me do that, because I don't want no lipstick on my teeth. I feel like every time I smile there's gonna be bright pink lipstick on my teeth. Like, stop the video and go buy it. Buy it in caramel if they still have it, and buy it in blonde, and buy it in black. Like, I'm about to go back. If they restock caramel, I want to get it in a caramel and I want to get it in a black. The curls are perfect. Look at this, you guys. Look, the curls are absolutely perfect. Perfect. Okay, so let's take this off. Okay, let's see how it came out. Woo. I just did a little bit of baby hairs. I didn't really do a lot. Ooh, child. Okay, it looks like some of my makeup is like coming off. But yeah, I didn't do a lot of baby hairs because it's kind of really pulled down on my forehead. So I just wanted to kind of like a little bit, if that makes sense. I don't know what difference did that really make, but I've seen a lot of girls on Instagram doing it. Okay, this wig is perfection. The texture, it doesn't shed, easy to install, so gorgeous. 34 inches, so she's 34 inches, you guys. Sit down. 34 inches. Hopefully no tracks are showing, child. I don't know how the back look. I'm gonna add these. I bought these glasses. Let me clean them. I bought these little faux glasses from Dollskill months ago. I just saw it on their site, and because you guys know I'm obsessed with anything pink or glittery, but I see that it matches my outfit perfectly. So I was like, oh, because I haven't worn them since I bought it. I was like, I don't know how I feel about them, but yeah, so it's so gorgeous. I also have these little Barbie clips that I got from Forever 21. It says Barbies from their Barbie collection, and I was thinking about putting one right here and putting one right here. I think that looks cute too, but I think it's a little bit much with the glasses. I feel like if I'm gonna do that, I just won't wear the glasses. You guys so much. Let me know what you guys think about this beautiful wig. I will see you guys in my next video. I have another wig that I'm gonna show you guys. You guys are gonna gag. It's gorgeous. I don't know how I was so blessed and lucky to get these wigs before they sold out, but I was, and I'm so grateful. Thank you again, Ebony Line. Let me know what you guys think below. I love you guys so very much. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, you know what to do. Keep slanging.